is the Silkeborg microscope. So we've got the specimens on a tray. There's room for 5 specimens. We've got the monitor that's fixed to a scaffold tube at the back, and we'll have the electronics underneath. We've got a sensor just about here. So what we're going to do is restart the board, and we're going to show you what happens when the exhibit restarts. So what we'll do is we'll go into the first position and then home it. So this is what happens when it restarts. Okay, home. There's a light that we can dim up here, so we can dim get more light on the subject. Obviously at the moment there is no sample to see, but as we move forward, you can see we're using non-touch, so I'm just waving my hand across the sensor and back again. And you can see it's quite a nice level of interaction. It's fairly easy to use. It's got a 500 millisecond debounce, which means that if I'm moving it and I do this and keep touching, nothing will happen until I let go for 500 milliseconds.